Goats in a Boat by Leslie Sims and Davy Semple. Goat eat oats. They all eat oats. We need a change. I'll get my boat. If I hook a fish or two, cook can cook a fish stew. I'll go for a row with Stoat, thinks Goat. Stoat, come fishing in the moat. Stoat's room. Stoat's room is bare, there is no one there. Oh, look, he wrote a note, says Goat. Gone for a walk, can't talk, bad throat. Stoat. Goat rows his boat around the moat. He sits and gazes at his float. It sinks, he blinks, a fish, he thinks. He lifts his rod. That's odd, it clinks. Goat's boat fills up. It's quite a squash. I wish this moat was full of fish. Then Goat spots Stoat. Hop in the boat. They hear a noise among the trees. Is it the breeze? The scary friends freeze. An army! Stoat has shaking knees. The soldiers march left, right, left, right. Shout help, yells Goat, with all your might. But poor Stoat has a sore throat. He can't shout out along with Goat. Look out! Get help! An army's near! The castle soldiers do not hear. Then Goat hits on a clever plan. They bash his hatch. Clash, clatter, clang. Clash, clatter, clang. The lookout hears. He gives a cry. The drawbridge rises to the sky. The army can't get in. They flee. Goat and Stoat row home for tea. Goat sighs, I have no fish for cook. You do, croaks Stoat. Just take a look.